Hello and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss the need for a content marketing strategy. Why do businesses need to create a content marketing strategy? And how is it going to impact your goals and objectives? Right? So, this is going to be a simple, succinct, and precise session where you will get to know why do we need to have a content marketing strategy in place. So, let's get started. So, first and foremost, getting straight into the point, we as a business need to have a content marketing strategy because it helps us to prepare and plan for a reliable and cost effective source of website traffic and new leads. In one of our previous session, we discussed about something called inbound marketing, where we as businesses try to attract audience and prospects or leads onto our websites or portals. People are searching for solutions to their problems. So, whenever they encounter any problem, they visit any of the search engines such as Google and just type out their problem. And they are expecting some precise and reliable or relevant solutions to their problems. So, this gives us very reliable and cost effective sources of traffic to our websites. And in turn, those visitors to our websites convert into leads, right? Now, those people who are looking for a problem and searching for solutions to that problem, they are very, very targeted and focused customers who have made up their mind. They are facing a problem and they are looking for solution. So, content marketing is giving them the solutions. And if you can impress them with your solutions, definitely that would translate into business because they may end up becoming leads and leads may turn in turn become your customers, right? Moving on, whenever you are creating content which is evergreen, which is relevant whenever you feel like at any point of a time, a content which is a perennial truth, an evergreen truth, or it can be a fact which is true today or tomorrow or day after, forever. Such kind of a content gives you the flexibility to experiment with other marketing tactics and generate revenue as well. Now, what are those alternate or other marketing tactics? A few of them could be like paid advertisements or maybe social media, right? So, if you have solid, robust content in place, you can use such content for even paid advertising, right? You can create campaigns and drive traffic onto such kind of a robust, solid, time tested content. You know that people landing on such content will definitely convert. So that's going to bring in a lot of revenue. Same way, this evergreen, tried and tested content on social media can definitely bring in a lot of engagement, a lot of shares, lot of this can build in lot of what we call as the earned media, because people like your content, love your content, and they keep sharing, and that sharing is generating that word of mouth, or that is what is earned media. Okay, so this is going to be a very, very powerful tool for you. So you need to have a content marketing strategy in place and create such kind of a rich and quality content that can become evergreen, right? Moving on, content just not helps attract leads, it also educates the prospects and generates brand awareness. Okay, so when people keep on stumbling upon your pages for any problem they are looking for in a particular genre or niche, and for every search they land upon, they stumble upon your pages, what do you think they would think about you? They would consider you to be an authority in that niche, right? They will start believing in you, they'll start trusting in you. So in such case, what you are trying to do is you are trying, or you are creating a very, very robust, a very loyal fan base for you, right? So they get to know that whenever this is a problem, you are the solution, you are the solution provider, you are the one who has the required content to solve that problem, right? So content It simply just not attracts the lead in the short term. It will create that kind of a brand awareness for you in the long term. Okay. And that's again going to be a true asset for you. Moving on, a solid, robust content. It helps you build that trust and credibility among your audience, right? This is in continuation to what we have discussed earlier. Whenever they have a problem, they are searching for solutions to a problem, and you keep on coming up, popping up in every search result. When they read your content, when they probably even view your content as a video, and they feel that you are an authority in that area or for that niche, the credibility, the trust, everything increases. They start respecting you, they'll start referring to you. Definitely they'll purchase from you, but they'll also bring in leads for you, they'll also refer you, right? So they start becoming your evangelists, your brand evangelists. So this is something that you earn for yourself, the reputation that you earn for yourself. When it comes to the B2B marketing, this is going to be a very phenomenal success for you, because B2B marketing is all about your competencies and your credibility and the kind of a trust that you command in the market. When people start believing that you are an authority in a particular domain, field, or industry, right? So I believe you have now reasons enough to embark on your content marketing journey. So, when are you creating your content marketing strategy? Do it soon. That's going to be a valuable asset for you. And inevitably, today or tomorrow, you have to start for, or you have to take that leap into the inbound marketing, right? So, that's it for today. Have a great day. Do keep watching, spread the good word, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.